Minister w'ebyobwegyese n'emizaano First Lady Honorable Janet Kata Museveni agizire ngu program ya Teachers Making a Difference ekozere kyamaani omu kusiima abashomesa abarikukora obutaruha okwegyesa abaana b'eihanga.
The Teachers Making a Difference has played a vital role in celebrating and honoring teachers who go beyond their professional responsibilities in service to their communities, as we have witnessed today.
Minister mu kugamba kwe asiimireho omwebembezi w'ihanga His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ab'okuteekateekaho emiringo etari emwe n'emwe okuhwera n'okutungura abashomesa n'abeegi omu ihanga.
I therefore would like to thank the President of Uganda for the bold steps he took to introduce policies like Universal Primary Education, UPE program, which currently supports over 8.5 million learners countrywide.
First Lady Janet Kata Museveni ayongere agira ngu abashomesa mu Uganda baine omujinya gw'okukora kandi eki nikiheereza gavumenti omuhimbo kusiima abashomesa aba.
We are aware that in the context of a Ugandan teacher making a difference is not just a catchy phrase. It is about daily intentional sacrifices and the demonstration of an excellent work ethic that we truly did witness today.
Max Gayona uri ambassador wa Ireland mu Uganda bamwe abarukushagika ihuriro y'okusiima abashomesa b'omutaano mu Uganda hagire ngu nekikuru kujaguza okwehayo kw'abashomesa.
We recognize, applaud and thank you. You show up every day with dedication, creativity and commitment to changing lives. And I'm sure every day is not easy, but every day you show up, you put on your spirit, and you invest in the next generation. And your work is transforming your communities. And through that work, you are transforming and shaping the future of Uganda. So again, thank you, and applause to you.
Bamwe mu bashomesa abatungire ebihembo basimire abatebekanisa kandi bagire ngu eki nikibongera amani.
My name is Loibok John Bosco. I am from Karanga district in Karamoja sub-region. I am really very happy for this appreciation to me by Irish Aid, New Vision Group and the government of Uganda. This award of mine is going to improve me better and I'm going to do a lot for the country. Thank you very much.
Makura gagasha kwa Ivan Nyesiga.